So Shane's sort of doing the braisy sort of meats, I suppose, and I'm kind of concentrating more on the real fast cook grilling steaks. So I've got 3 different cuts here. This one is the flank. Now what we've done as well is what I've done with these is I've got the ones that I've sous vide'd. So these guys here, these 3 cuts are the same as these 3 here, but these have been in cryovac and then cooked like in a water bath, 55 degrees for 2 hours. Okay, so they're already essentially, the protein in them is already set. So all you're really doing is searing them and then I'll a whole lot into logs, and I'll just finish this, showing you this, and then Shane can go on to showing you something else. Once you get all these rolled into logs, so do all that first, get them all done. Get a little bit of flour on them so they don't all stick together, and then a knife or a pastry cutter, like that. And then if you want to, you can just leave them like that. Throw them into hot boiling water. Scoop them out once they rise to the surface, put them into ice water, and then whenever you're ready to use them, they're ready to go.